Now in this question we have to find the direction cosine of a line which makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. Now let direction cosines of a line make an angle alpha with each of the coordinate axis. Therefore, L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos alpha, N is equal to cos alpha. Now, L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Cos square alpha plus cos square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. 3 cos square alpha is equal to 1. Cos alpha is equal to plus minus 1 upon root 3. Now, thus direction cosines of a line which is equally inclined to the coordinate axis are plus minus 1 upon square root of 3 plus minus 1 upon square root of 3 plus minus 1 upon square root of 3 answer.